What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I seriously appreciate you for tuning in. We are back here in my 1991 Mazda Miata, and today we are headed down to the largest car show of the year. If you guys are familiar, in Southern California, there's an organization or a group of people called Local Car Scene, and they put together some of the best shows in the area, and today is their biggest show of the year. It's going to be Local Car Fest, and it's right over here. It's in the same spot, but it's twice as big. They've doubled the parking lot size. It's just going to be insane. There's all types of vendors in the middle, so it's just going to be a full-on event, and I'm super excited. It started about 30 minutes ago, so we're a little late. We're headed over there right now. Check this out. We got the Miata. So as you guys know, we actually lost this hubcap over here. I've been honestly thinking about just taking this one off so they match. Let's just do it. Let's just do it for today. Should this pop off? All right, there it is. Run this over here. Okay, so there's a little bit more balance to the world now. So this side is gonna be dark and the other side is gonna have hubcaps on it. I prefer the hubcap look, but we have to work with what we've got, and we only have 3 hubcaps. So that is the situation right now. The biggest car meet of the year. Honestly, I have no idea what to expect. I brought the drone. We're gonna get some cool cinematic shots. We're just gonna see what awesome cars there are. I'm excited. So if you guys are driving manual and you're heel towing, how does that work? I understand heel tow, but like, have you ever actually tried to heel tow? Like, it's pretty difficult actually. So I have a different method, and let me know if this is completely wrong or if it's actually bad. Let me know, because I'm curious, honestly. So I understand that like you need to heel tow when you're coming up to a corner. You need to be able to brake to slow down, but then you also need to rev match, which means you need to push the clutch in and rev it at the same time. So you need 3 legs and you only have 2, right? So obviously heel towing is the method here. But what I've noticed is like I find heel towing very, very hard to get your heel, you know, like situated. Like I'm just not very rehearsed in heel towing. Coming up to a red light, you're pressing the brake and you need to heel tow. So what I'm assuming people do is they put their heel over here and they like rev it, right? For me, I just always ride the brake at like half of the brake, and then I can blip the throttle. I just find that I can still put pressure on the brake while I'm flipping the throttle with my pinky, like my pinky toe. So I don't know if that is like the wrong way to heel tow, and if that's the wrong way to do it, it's a really bad habit that I've formed. But let me know what you think. In a race 0 to 60, that thing would beat the Miata. Miata gang. Oh, shoot. Oh my. Just as I thought. Thousands and thousands of people. All right, let's find a parking spot. All right, MSJC. Here we are. I'm gonna find a parking spot. Looks like there's some shade over here, so we're doing it. You already know. All right, so we found a parking spot. We just backed it in. The only thing that stinks, I just realized, I backed it in so the sun is like shining in the car, so it's gonna be super hot. But it seems like a pretty good spot to fly the drone real quick, so I might just do that. Yeah, let's do that. Big rip. It's 11:20. I've been in here for 45 minutes trying to get the drone to work, and it just will not take off. I get it ready to go, unlock everything, and then it still says I can't take off. It's because, look at this. This is where we're having the show. We're in the airplane flight path for French Valley Airport. So big, big sad, big sad. Look, we were so close. I hate to say it, but I think we got the best spot in the house. Definitely the best spot in the house. I mean, 100% shade, 100% shade. So this is the cleanest 300ZX I think I've ever seen. With the Nismo, the LM Nismo wheels, you guys. This thing is just too freaking clean. It makes me want one so bad. Sheesh. Z gang. looks like we were joined by some other homies. I'd say we got the best spot, literally the best spot. All right guys, so we're back in the Miata. That was seriously one of the biggest shows I think I've ever been to in my life. There's endless cars. We didn't even walk through the parking lot where like the spectators are. And those are also, every single car there is modified. Look at these guys. They parked with us. Pretty cool. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. My camera is seriously gonna die right now. So hit the thumbs up button if you did. And also, I just wanted to plug this really quick. I finally made a Patreon. So if you guys are looking to support the channel, go ahead and check out the Patreon page and I would seriously appreciate you. And there's also some other cool perks and stuff that we put together. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hit the thumbs up button if you did. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.